So a lot of payment have been requesting me for making a video on how we can use Stripe instead of Shopify payments, because as default, if you are in USA or in some other country where Shopify payments is supported, they will force you to use their platform, which is Shopify payments. And lately a lot of people are getting their funds in hold because they are asking for verification for 90 days or more than that. And as a beginner entrepreneur, that is literally like heartbreaking, and we have to do it. Was very difficult for some people to get started with that thing, like the funds getting held on for 90 days. So there is an alternative way around it. If you have already have an Stripe, so by default Shopify payments is gonna look like this in your payment providers in settings tab. So first of all, you're gonna click on manage, and then you are gonna scroll down and deactivate the thing. After you have deactivated, so you will scroll down and deactivate Shopify payments. Choose any reason, doesn't matter. So we will go on settings, we will go on general, and we are gonna simply change one thing. So whatever may be your address, you click on the country and you change it to France, where Shopify payments, where you can use a Stripe account. So after you have done this, and you head back into your payment providers, and what we're gonna do is you can go on to third-party providers. You will choose third-party providers, and you will already get the best thing here, which is set up Stripe, and you can simply click on this and log in with your credentials. So it is asking me to sign in, and once I sign in, it will revert back to Shopify, and that's how we accept payments with Stripe on Shopify, with this one little simple trick. Now after you have done that, you go right back into your settings and go on general and change the country right back to the one which was in the past. Like for me it was United States, because I have a company established there. And that's it. That's how you do it. It is all good to go now. Change this back and you will still see the Stripe option back there. Also, if your country doesn't support Stripe and Shopify payments, I have linked the video down right here or right here. You can check it out, and you can basically what it requires you to do is you have to set up company and a LLC, most probably in the USA or where the Shopify payments and Stripe account is supported. And then what you can do is you can get a payment processor based on that LLC. So that is very simple trick. You can watch this by clicking on this video, and this is all for this video. Subscribe.